feel me? Stop reaching. I can't tell y'all more. Everybody's reaching for the ball. Slide your feet, cut them off. You understand me?
Shut up!
Every time you reach, they just cross y'all slow. Use your feet.
We brought 9 teams to the tournament this weekend, and this was our first game. So we had a great showing.
All right, what was your game plan when you came up here?
Just play as a team and have a good time.
All right, Coach, what are your strategy? I know you had 9 teams coming up here.
Yeah.
What is that? I know that's a lot of dynamics going on. So what is your big thing?
I think one of the biggest things of our organization is our fundamental, sharing the ball, getting kids good shots, and that was one of the things we knew we had to do today. The team came out pressing, we moved the ball really well, got guys layups, they had to get out of that. And I think that's one of the biggest things, sharing the ball, getting everybody good shots.